Do you want to become a confident English speaker faster than you ever thought possible?
Welcome! I'm your guide here on Winds of Thought.
In this special training session, we're going to use a powerful 3-step method to boost your speaking, listening, and vocabulary skills all at once.
And the best part? You'll start feeling the difference before this video is even over.
Our method today is simple but incredibly effective.
We'll begin with a listening exercise, then unpack key vocabulary, and finally, you'll practice speaking through a shadowing challenge.
Are you ready to train your mind for fluent English? Together, let's begin.
Part 1. Active Listening Immersion.
You're about to listen to a real-world conversation. Your task is simple. Don't just hear the words, try to follow the story.
This is how you learn to understand natural speech. Let's listen.
Hey, all set for the community games this Saturday?
Honestly, I'm a mix of excited and anxious.
My volleyball team is really aiming for the championship this season.
I've heard the competition is fierce. Do you feel prepared?
We'll see. Honestly, this championship match is the turning point for our entire year.
A win puts us at the top of the leaderboard.
That's huge. You must have trained hard.
Absolutely. Drills every single morning before class.
We focused on serves, spikes, and most importantly, teamwork.
That's fantastic. Coordination is key.
It really is.
How are you handling the stress?
I'm working on it. My strategy is to stay in the moment and actually have fun playing.
Smart approach. I'll be there to cheer you on Sunday.
Seriously? That's so encouraging. We won't let you down.
Excellent. You've just immersed your brain in natural English rhythms.
Now, let's unlock the specific language that makes this conversation powerful. This is where your vocabulary grows.
Part 2. Vocabulary expansion.
I'll explain 3 useful phrases from that dialogue and show you how to use them yourself.
First, turning point. This describes a critical moment that can lead to major success or failure.
Second, handling the stress. This means managing pressure or nervousness.
Third, that's so encouraging. You say this when someone's support truly motivates you.
Remember, repetition is the fast track to fluency.
Watch this segment again and try saying these phrases out loud with me.
Part 3, your speaking practice.
This is the moment you put it all together. I will ask you a question about the conversation.
You will answer out loud before I give the response. Don't hesitate. Speaking is the fastest way to improve.
First question. Was James completely relaxed about the games?
No, he wasn't. He felt anxious.
Next, what sport does James play?
Volleyball. He plays on a volleyball team.
What did James call the championship match?
He called it the turning point for their year.
What did the team practice every morning?
They practiced serves, spikes, and teamwork.
How does James plan to deal with the stress?
He tries to stay in the moment and enjoy the game.
Will Lena come to watch?
Yes, she'll be there on Sunday.
How did James feel about that?
He found it very encouraging.
Incredible work. You are actively building your speaking muscle.
Now for our final and most powerful exercise, interactive shadowing.
You will become both speakers in the conversation. I'll play one line, you repeat it. Then you'll read the response from the other person on your screen. This builds natural rhythm and speed.
Let's switch roles and own this dialogue.
You did it. Consistent practice like this rewires your brain for fluency.
Your voice is your most powerful tool. Use it daily.
To go even deeper, check out our special speaking course full of interactive audio lessons.
You can get a free sample lesson right now. The link is waiting for you in the description.
Your journey to confident English continues.
Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!